Good day, you guys, and welcome back. So namuhla sizobe busy ngama-tools assista in building a website. So basically what I mean about tools, whenever you are building a website, the only thing that you need, the main basic tool that you need is a text editor. So what do I mean about a text editor? Akusingiyo yonke indlela ngitoyisho ngeSiswati, but ngile app application lo typela kuyo, yabona. So yeah, so mina personally ngisebenzisa i-Sublime Text. So ngithandzela for ma-reasons lamaningi. I mean, inama-colors, kuba lula for wena ukuthi ukhona ukudebugger. If utype something iyakhona ukugcizelela isho ukuthi ufuna ukutype this and this, yabona. So kule video lena sito downloada only 2 yema tools lesitowasebenzisa along the way. So mina as a preference yami nje uya your favorite browser and then say download Sublime Text. Okay. So probably roughly 10 megabytes. So yeah, it's easy to download Sublime Text 3. Yes, if you can go to this link and there you go. Where is the download? So it's pretty much simple. And then meaning 77 Windows. Okay, 64-bit. Oh, now that's 10.4 MB. So number one is Sublime Text. Load downloadable. We install like any other application, and manning ma text editor lo ngakhetha wona. Mina prefera i-Sublime Text because it's easy for me, but at first ngacala ngasebenzisa i-Notepad++, yabona, nayo be easy for me, just that bengekho as easy just like this one. Bese most ibantu labaningi bathola basebenzisa what is it, i-Visual Studio, labanye basebenzisa i-NetBeans, labanye bathola basebenzisa i-Notepad alone, Notepad 2. Ukuze ngitibude ukuthi I mean lo muntu khona handlisha njani ma-errors nani since i-colors. So mina ngiprefera i-Sublime Text. And if we install it, we install it just like any other app. Angeke install, I mean, since already senginayo. And the second app application software, let's do it download. It's XAMPP. So XAMPP sitoyisebenzisa later if sesidila nge-PHP. Yeah, if sesidila nge-PHP and website here. If sesidila nge-PHP ne-MySQL, yeah, ngilasitoyisebenzisa khona later. So kwanyalo nje ngitoyi-downloada uzobona ukuthi ngidownloade njani nani. So nayo we-installer just like any other application. So ngiprefera ukuthi ma download the latest version. For example, say it's version 8.00. So to download a version, so it's 157 megabytes. So it's only these 2 tools. Let's do it download. Let's do it pretty much everything. Let's do code on website from start till the end. But then let's do 670 the most all the time. It's Sublime Text, which is the text editor. So yeah, that's it for today. And if somebody when you prefer using other text editors, you can download about Atom. Yeah, Atom also does the coding And yeah guys, and so that's it for this video. It was just the downloads of these two applications. Let's do a 70s along the way. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share the videos with your friends. And yeah, see you next time guys. And so bye bye.